Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Skills Granfit. Today we will discuss what is the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. So let's start from definition. What is the definition of AI? AI is a technique which enables machines to mimic human behaviors. So what are the human behaviors? That could be cognitive behavior, philosophy of the human, psychology of the human, etc. Example of AI is self-driving cars. I have discussed artificial intelligence in details in my previous video. If you want to learn more about it, I will put the link of my previous video in the description. Now understand what is the machine learning. Machine learning is a technique which uses statistical methods to enable machines to improve with experience. What does it mean? In machine learning, we will apply statistical methods on that data and we will predict the results. This is the flow of machine learning model. And what is a deep learning? Deep learning have a same functionality, but rather than using statistical methods, we will use neural networks, the deep learning. And in the deep learning, we have different capabilities that we will discuss in detail. Through that figure, we will understand why there is a confusion between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. You can see deep learning is a subset of machine learning, and machine learning and deep learning are both are the subset of artificial intelligence. It means the example of deep learning are examples of machine learning also. The examples or applications of machine learning and deep learning are examples of artificial intelligence. That actually arise the confusion. So, in this tutorial, we will understand machine learning, then we will understand deep learning with the example, and then we will define the scope of machine learning and deep learning through one example. So, let's understand what is machine learning. As definition says, machine learning uses algorithms that are based on mathematics and statistics. In machine learning, what we will do, we will have a data, and on the basis of algorithm, we will train that data on that model and predict the results. To understand this process, we will understand one example. We have sales prediction data of soft drinks by a salesman. Let's understand that data first. In second column, there is a soft drink sold, that is the number of soft drink sold by the number of salesmen. When we put that data on the 2D plane, soft drink sold and y-axis is salesman, then we were able to draw these points on that plane. And through machine learning algorithm that we will discuss in future videos how we will fit that line, but we are able to fit that line that you can see that is going across these points that we have drawn. That is called prediction line. How we will predict the results then, that let's understand that. If you can see, there are 11 data points in the left side cell, and there is 30 number serial number data points where we want to predict to sell 2000 cold drinks, how many salesmen required. Once we are able to fit at that line, we can map the points on x-axis and the same point on y-axis, and through which we can find out how many salesmen required to sell 2000 cold drinks. To understand this same problem, we can draw that line, map that line 2000, and when we map that point into the y-axis, it's come around 180 or 170. So in that way, there are different methods, different algorithms through which we can train the model to the data and we can predict the results. There are majorly three type of algorithms available into machine learning. First one is regression, second one is classification, and third one is clustering. Let's come on deep learning now. Deep learning also functions in the same way like machine learning does. The difference is on the capability side. In deep learning model, we have data, we have a deep learning algorithm. We will train that algorithm on the basis of data and different algorithms and then predict the results. To understand that and the difference, there is one more difference that we actually discuss in definitions. Deep learning actually uses artificial neural networks. What are the artificial neural networks? Where came from? Artificial neural network came from brain nervous system. Like in brain, there are neurons that actually communicate the information one cell to other cell. In the same way, in neural networks, we have artificial neurons that actually deal all the communication. Now understand one example of the deep learning. Let's say we have millions of image data where we want to identify which image is car image, which image is truck image, which image is bicycle image. To solve that problem with the machine learning algorithm, it is not possible, quite impossible, because image is not processed directly. Through image, we will create a matrix. The matrix actually have a data that in the form of pixels that represent that particular image, and on the basis of these pixels we need to do certain deep learning operations and that are very high in computation that actually not handled by normal machine learning model. For that we actually need neural networks. So you can see the example, and that kind of problems actually solved by deep learning. And if we talk about deep learning algorithms, majorly there are three algorithms. First one is CNN, second one is RNN, and third one is LSTM. Now I want to discuss one more thing, like that table. In that table there are different four factors. On the basis of that we will understand what is machine learning and what is deep learning. On the data factor, in machine learning we require less data in comparison to deep learning. On accuracy side, deep learning have high accuracy models rather than machine learning. Time side, because we are dealing with large data into deep learning, so to train the deep learning model we require more time in comparison to machine learning. What is the computation or hardware? Because again we are dealing with large data into the deep learning, we require high computation in deep learning in comparison to machine learning. Okay,